Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I did this look using my ItsMyRayeRaye palette right here. ItsMyRayeRaye, and I'll tell you guys my final thoughts on it at the end. So you want to keep on watching. Yeah, I know I look so good. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be using the ItsMyRayeRaye and BH Cosmetics palette today, and I'm gonna be doing the first impressions with it. So this is how it looks. I take out the packaging. And of course I never used it. I had this for like, I don't know how many days, but I still didn't use it yet. And it comes with a mirror. You can see my posters on the wall. But in here are the eyeshadows. So yeah, I don't know what look I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do a look using these eyeshadows. I'm gonna use one of these highlighters. And yeah. So I'm just gonna fast forward the look and the eyeshadow look, and then tell you guys how I feel about the eyeshadows and everything. So these are the contour shades, and this one right here, you can't really see. It's called Brownie Bite, the darkest one. So I already know the light, this one won't show on me because I'm too dark for this. But I'm definitely going to contour with this. So, and I heard that it's very pigmented, so I'm going to take my e.l.f. contour brush. It looks like this. Just go in there a little bit, like, just get a little bit. Ooh, I think I got too much. I'm going to just contour. So I only got a little bit on like the edge. You can't really see, but right there at the top, at the tip, where it's so dark, right there. You see? Woo! That's so pigmented. I'm gonna put some on my nose too, cause this is pigmented. Ooh. I'm gonna hurry up and blend this out. See if it's easy to blend. So I also have the Collie Bible X BH Cosmetics palette. Look, this contour seems a little harsh. I'm gonna put a little bit more for this side because I don't like how the way it looks. I feel like this brush isn't doing a good job with this contour. So I'm just gonna take my blush brush and try to like soften it up a little bit so it's not so harsh. It's my fault putting it so harsh. It looks good though. Wow, that was pigmented. I'm gonna take some on the brush and just put some on my forehead. I really like this contour. So now it also comes with a shade like this, like a banana shade. I'll swatch it. And I'm gonna just use this shade to go underneath my contour. So I'm just gonna take this powder brush and go into this shade a little bit, like 1, 2, and just right underneath my contour. Just sharpen it up. And do some on the other side. I'm gonna just take a little bit of it and go down my nose. Like, I like the way this looks. Okay, so after I applied my blush, I used a Maybelline blush in Berry. Really cute, as you can see. I'm gonna take, so she has 3 highlight shades in here. The first one is like a white one. It's called Moonlight. The second one is called Radiant, and the third one is called French Toast. Radiant and French Toast look like they would fit my skin complexion way more. These two. So I'm gonna swatch them on the back of my hand. It's very buttery and pigmented. French Toast really do look like if French Toast was a highlighter. So Radiant and French Toast. Okay, so this one right here is Radiant, and this one right here is French Toast. But I honestly think I'm gonna mix these two together and do my highlight. So I'm gonna take my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. This brush I always use for highlight. I have 2. The one I was using earlier is my eyeshadow brush. This one's my highlight brush. So I'm gonna just mix these two together. Just 1, 2. Ooh, that's pigmented. Let me tap it off. So I always start with my nose first. So let's start. Let's see. Ooh, I love a blinding nose highlight. Ooh, I just don't like how I like the tip of the nose to be more blinding than like the bridge. So I'm gonna have to blend that out. So I'm gonna just tap right here. Ooh, as you can see, that looks gorgeous. I'm gonna tap right here too. Okay, and now I'm gonna flip my brush to the other side and blend out my nose highlight. And now we're gonna flip it back over and blend this out. So I always go in circular motions whenever I blend out my highlight. That's just how I like to do it. And I switch it back over. This highlight is really blinding and cute. But I'm gonna add a little bit more because I don't think it's blinding enough. Especially on this side, I don't think it's that blinding. And this will definitely be in my Poops and Whoops of April. Because I really do like this contour kit. And I highlight my chin with French toast. Right here, like underneath my lip. And like my forehead. Just dab that and spread it up. Wow, this looks really good. Wow, I'm very impressed. I mean, I really like BH Cosmetics highlighters. Like the one they got with Carly Bible, the pink one in the palette. I really like that one. And this one, this packaging is very friendly. Like very light travel friendly. I said friendly. But for lipstick today, I'm just gonna go in with, since today's look, I'm wipe off my foundation on my lips. Oh yeah, let me go in my inner corner highlighter. So I'm just gonna take my brush. Where is it? I'm gonna take my pencil brush that I used earlier, and I'm gonna go back in with. I might use the eyeshadow. No, I'm gonna use Radiant as as the inner corner highlight. Ooh, as you can see, that really made a difference. Also, the liquid liner that I use is the Stila long lasting liquid liner. Y'all know the one I'm talking about. Everybody in their grandmother got it. But yeah, I really like it. Ooh, this is cute. I'm gonna put some more of it on there. I can't find my regular pencil brush that I use for highlight, like in the corner and brow bone. So this is gonna have to do. And I got some in my crease, so I'm gonna just take my eyeshadow brush from earlier and blend that out. So I'll be right back to talk about how I feel about it. So my final thoughts on the It's My Ray Ray palette featuring by Ray Ray for YouTube, of course. I really love it. Like, my eyes look amazing. I love the shade. I forgot to say, the shades I use in my eyes were Spice, Sunset, Friday, Connie, and Midnight. I also use Passion and Tiffany as the shimmers. I really love the way my eyes look. I know it's springtime right now, but this would be such a good fall look. I mean, this is just a sultry spring look for me. Cause like as I put Radiant in my inner corner, it really like brings out the color for spring. Also, the lip I used today is my ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Mamacita. I really like the way my contour look. It doesn't even look harsh. And it looks like, wow, my highlight is popping. I love this. And then the lips really go well with this. So I really like this palette. I recommend it. It costed $22.50 at Ulta, and I really like it. It's very travel friendly. The mirror here is big enough for you to see your whole face. Well, it's not that big, but like you can see really well. I love the eyeshadow, and I don't have on falsies. This is a mascara I put on, my Essence one. So yeah, I really like this. I recommend it 100%. It's worth the money. Like, you get a whole contour little part right here, and 3 highlight shades, one for fair skin, one for like medium tone, one for like darker tones. And I really like that. And the eyeshadows are really good. I had a problem. I had a little bit of problems with Spice when I first put it on. When you saw the first shade, that was my transition shade, but the rest of the eyeshadows work really well. And I didn't even wet my brush for the shimmers. I just look good. Wow, take some pictures. But when I noticed, when I sprayed my face again after I put on my highlighter, I realized that it doesn't look as blinding as it did when I first put it on, which is weird because usually when I spray my face after I put on highlighter, it looks more blinding. But it's okay. I mean, it's still blinding. It's just not that blinding as it was before. So I really like this, and it was worth the money. Ray did her thing with this, and it's really cute. I love the packaging too. This is so cute. And she also came out with some brushes and stuff. I didn't buy that. I just wanted the palette. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And check out my latest video. Also, my NCT album still hasn't come yet. I don't even know. At this point, I just lost hope. Like, I don't even know. But yeah, this look is not really springtime look. It's not really a springtime look. It's more like a fall look. But I'm going to just name this as a sultry springtime look. Yeah. And if you want to see a tutorial on like an easy springtime look, just say it down below. And I will do that, okay? Bye. Thank you guys for 26 subscribers. I'm pretty sure I have 26 or 27. Thank you guys. I know it's not a lot, but still. And if you watch this video and you didn't subscribe, please subscribe. Like, please do. It really helps me, really boosts my confidence when I make my YouTube videos, that I know I actually have an audience I'm talking to. So bye.